Meaning of fascia.
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 Fascia. Fascia is a thin, web-like layer of connective tissue that surrounds and supports every organ, muscle, nerve, blood vessel, and bone in the body. It is made up of collagen and elastin, which are proteins that give it strength and flexibility. Fascia is not a single, continuous sheet of tissue, but rather a network of interconnected sheets that form a three-dimensional matrix throughout the body. Fascia plays a number of important roles in the body, including supporting and protecting organs and tissues. Fascia helps to keep organs and tissues in place and protects them from injury. Transmitting force. Fascia helps to transmit force from muscles to bones, which allows us to move. Maintaining posture. Fascia helps to maintain posture by supporting and stabilizing the spine and other structures. Influencing movement. Fascia can influence movement by providing a framework for muscles to contract against and by storing and releasing energy. Perpetuating pain. When fascia becomes tight or restricted, it can cause pain and restrict movement. This can happen due to injury, overuse, or stress.